have used them to build a search engine. Others have used them to go build a private cloud. One of the value benefits that most of them have is that it literally in 6 weeks they get their IT, they know what they have, it's all virtualized, they're set up, it's all tested, pre-configured. The racks in Houston, the data center in Houston gets dropped in on site, commissioned in about a week, and literally their cloud is stood up from the time they decided to go do it to they actually implemented it. We had one customer who actually did it for a cloud for telco for one of their own internal applications in about 13 weeks from planning to actually going live in production.
Wade, could you give us a little bit of your role and,
Yeah.
and
Yes.
introductory sorts of material?
I will do that, yes. Okay, well, I didn't, we didn't have the big fancy screen in the room, but I figured, and we can post these to a slide share, or my marketing guys might have a field day with it. My name is Wade Vinson. I am the power and cooling strategist for our enterprise server storage and network group, which Industry Standard Servers is part of. And for the last 3.5 years, I've been the chief architect for HP's Pod, our performance optimized data center. Prior to that, my team developed the blade, the C-Class blade. I have 34 U.S. patents. Many of them are in the blades and storage in it. And this really just became the next natural extension of it, where people were trying to go solve by pooling power and pooling cooling and pooling network that we had in the C-Class blades. This actually allows us to go to the next level. Where I used to think of there are 16 servers in a blade chassis. When I first did a pod, I thought there were 16 chassis in a pod. Well, now there's 16 pods in a data center, and I can show you what we're doing in Houston, how we're building a data center that way, but how other customers are thinking this is the perfect for someone standing up a private cloud, because they go, okay, I got to go to a colo to get the space, or I got to go to someone else's data center, and isn't the part of a private cloud I like to kind of own my own hardware. And if I own my own hardware, do I really want to go talk to the facilities guy and do it? If it's a software play for a customer going, I want to go increase my software, wouldn't it be nice if all of the hardware that's part of it comes with it?